So today in this video we're going to talk about ticker symbol Affrm, Affirm Holdings, and also UPST Upstart Holdings. But before we do that, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated. And also if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And if you want to support the channel and get my real-time trade ideas, definitely check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And now let's get right into it. So Friday, Affrm was down 0.33%. Now if you look at it, guys, this was a double bottom right here on Affrm. And we got a massive rally all the way up to right here, almost $20. And now this thing pulling back, but looks like it's holding a higher low, which is bullish. But also if you look at this right here, this could be a bear flag right here on Affrm. Now if this thing actually breaks under right here, $15, this thing can go down all the way down to 1370, where this red line 50 SMA is sitting, and also lower Bollinger Band, and that would be an absolute dip buy on Affrm. Now to the upside, just because we got a bear flag does not mean that it has to play out. This thing breaks above right here, white line 20 SMA sitting close to 1625, and this thing will move up going into next few days. So 1625 to 1642. Somehow Affrm able to break this level, we're going to see a continuation to the upside, and look at this gap on top. So there is more upside, and if you're buying this dip, I would say put a stop right here at $15, and as long as the stock is above 15, we could see a breakout above 1625 and then 1645. And if that happens, look at the upside all the way up to $18.15 to close that gap on top. And now we're going to look at UPST. So on UPST, it's up 0.84%. Now the last video I made on UPST, it was down here, guys, around $28-30. And I called it that this thing can go all the way up to 37. And I got a few comments on my video that it's not gonna happen. Well, breakout is a breakout, and you gotta follow the trend. I don't know what stock that is. It could be a penny stock, but look at this, guys. Look at that massive run. Not only UPST got up to 37, all the way up to almost 39, and not only one time, multiple times, and now again hitting 37.69. So look at this level right here, in between $36 and $37. Somehow UPST breaks that level, there's gonna be tons of upside. And also this one here, same thing. You can call it a double bottom right here, and off of this double bottom, now this thing going up massively from what, $12 all the way up to 38. So huge amount of return if you call this dip on UPST. And look at this, guys. Somehow this thing clears $36 to $37. Watch out for the next move all the way up to 41, possibly up to even $55. So there is still more upside on UPST, but right now this is not a dip buy zone on UPST. If you call this dip right here on a pullback at a higher low, you got the dip, and now this thing can push higher. Now also just keep that in mind, $36 to $37 needs to hold, and if that happens, there is more upside on UPST. Dip buying zone as of right now, not to go long term, maybe swing trade, day trade on UPST. If there is a pullback down here to this white line 20 SMA, and that is $33, that would be a dip buy for a swing trade on UPST. And below that, more downside all the way down to right down here at $29. And we also have support below that, lower Bollinger Band moving up, sitting at 27.16. So that is something to watch on a pullback. But looks like we got a nice pullback at a higher low, and now this thing is ready to break out. Soon as the stock breaks out above $36 to $37, we're going to see a big move to the upside, and this thing can go up, guys. Especially this stock here, also another shortest stock in the market. So if this thing somehow breaks out above 36 to 37 and that holds as a support, like I said, there's going to be tons of upside on UPST. On a pullback, definitely watch out right here, the support, $33, and that would be a dip buy on UPST. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated here on UPST and also on Affrm.